Hello everyone who watched this video, anywhere and anywhere you are. My name is Amelia, and in this video, I will tell you about Covid-19. First, what is Covid-19? According to WHO, Covid-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Covid-19 stands to coronavirus disease, and 19 is the year when this virus appeared for the first time. This newly virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Then, how does Covid-19 spread? According to CDC, this virus spreads through respiratory droplets that produced by the infected person when they are coughing, sneezing, or talking. These small droplets can land into a surface and maybe directly to the near people in their mouth or nose. So this virus can spread between the people who are in the close contact with one another. According to CDC, people who are in 6 feet can get the virus, but according to WHO, people who are less than 3 feet or 1 meter can get the virus. Now, what are the symptoms of Covid-19? According to CDC, the symptoms may appear in 2 until 14 days after exposure. Commonly, the symptoms of Covid-19 are the people experience fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath, but the emergency warning signs can show in the older people and those with underlying medical problems, so they are most likely to develop serious illness. The emergency signs of Covid-19 are they are experience trouble breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion or inability to arouse, and loose lips or face. Now, how to prevent Covid-19? According to WHO, there are many ways to prevent Covid-19. There are: first, wash your hand with soap and water or with alcohol-based hand rub when you can find, or use water and soap. Just by using water and soap or alcohol-based hand rub, it can kill the virus in our hands. Then the second one is maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people who are coughing or sneezing. The virus can spread between the people who are in close contact or near at least 3 feet or 6 feet. The third is avoid touching your face. Our hands are touching many things, and we don't know if the things that we touch contain the virus or not. So we have to hold ourselves by touching our face. Next, the fourth is cover your mouth and nose when you are coughing or sneezing. We can cover our mouth and nose with tissue and flex our elbow, or for the simply way, we can wear a mask. So when we are coughing or sneezing, the droplets will not out somewhere. Next is stay at home when you feel unwell. They said we can prevent ourselves by spread of the virus we have, Covid-19 or not, to another people. We can recover faster and treated by our family in the house. Now the last is refrain from smoking or activities that weaken our lungs. We already know that smoking isn't good for our health, and added exposure by coronavirus, it could be a serious illness. Well, that's all the information I want to tell in this video. If you want to know more about Covid-19, you can visit the WHO and CDC website by the link that I have added in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry for my bad speak.